Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what these niche are. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name is Rumarai and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So let's go Amazon KDP Marketplace, and today's our first niche is boiler maker journal and logbook. Boiler maker journal and logbook. So here the results only shows 125. Obviously this is a micro niche. Boiler maker journal and logbook. And onto the next one is pipe filter journal and logbook. Pipe filter journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 91. Obviously this is a very good niche. And our third niche is crane operator journal and logbook. Crane operator journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 394. So obviously this is also another micro niche, and you can create good manuscript and good book cover and choose your keywords correctly, then you will be good sale per month from Amazon KDP. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share more niche, more ideas and help you to scale your self-publishing business. Please like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. So thank you so much. Thank you all.